sing and everything.
Yes,
For everybody when they listen to them, waiting that they expect from.
They expect a lot of things because I in 3 days ago I see the video of when I performed for Praise Jam the first time.
Yes.
I don't know if you remember when the year, but I be like waiting small begin sketch for that video. But I'm proud that I'm coming back now. Say I don't even get more weight.
Yeah.
My belly don't come out. Yes.
You never really see him.
Yeah, my Bible is out of their belly.
Okay.
Now,
Shaflo, waiting.
and before I be few. I choose, but now if you see me now, many are called. So this time around, I come talk about a lot of things. You know, why I still single, and when I go see where for the choir department, another ushering department, I not go prayer warrior because they feel kill me. So.
Keniba, you rush me now. Before I go even ask you about that single, you already don't talk him.
I go to drop single.
You go drop. This guy. Oh my goodness. But of course, Praise Jam they happen. If you never get your ticket, I need make you give us that information sharp. Then we'll go give out the before you give us that information, please on Twitter to us Wazobia_FM hashtag Praise Jam and hashtag Wazobia FM. And I want to give out how many tickets would they give out now? We they give out 3 now on top Twitter. Please jump on them. Why Kenny Blaq they're inside the building now? We get a few more minutes to go. Give us information sharp. Where to find their own ticket to buy.
So if you want to get your tickets now, as they talk to you like this, just go www.coolfm.ng or make you go www.ariastickets.com. You still feel buy them for Chocolate Royale. If you buy them for all tested fried chicken outlets where they're around you, you feel buy them for the venue on that day. But to jump the queue because heat today you can sweat. Just sharply now go ariastickets.com. You go buy regular for 5,000 naira and VIP for 10,000 naira.
Oh, Cheche, so it's really true that Kenny Blaq but all this thing what they tell Kenny Blaq
they not believe it.
They not believe.
Some people don't believe.
You know, say Blaq, they don't really see me. and maybe not because I not be a decule good. See, they dare to see me.
What do you mean? Now that same chair is now decule good day.
At least he don't see me. So.
This guy is Cheche, I'm so excited. Kenny Blaq is going to mix comedy. Also, you will not mix music.
Oh.
Yeah.
By God's grace, on that daily, a resurrection we happen that year. Whatever you are going through, when you come that day, it's going to break the yolk, not the egg, but the yolk.
Christopher, Cheche, ask Kenny Blaq what time you go there live.
I go down there the day before.
Okay, so they did there before. You know,
You know, the host, I got day inside the hall. Because we know if you that kind of money for more, no sleep for there.
That kind of
so
thing.
I go just the day before.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, now I guess use a.
How supposed to sleep there?
I've been now.
Because that money no be smart thing. Hi, Cheche, sweet vibe. I love Kenny Blaq so much. You people have made my day, but I never buy tickets. I go buy now. Another person said Kenny Blaq. So it's true you are coming. I'm getting ticket today now. My brother is in love with Kenny Blaq. Cheche, please. I bought 1 ticket already. Can I win one? Make we see what he go be. Cheche, please ask Kenny Blaq to do one singing comedy for us now. I want to record it. You no go sell them for Junction. Kenny Blaq, give them one.
Waiting me, I know. Be say God go bless the pastor we preach on Sunday because the sister who I go like Daniel, she come church that day. But the usher we always tell me say make I no go outside, no come church. So I just near the sister they shower. As I near the sister, she they sing, "Show me your face. Fill up the space. My word needs you right now." And I pastor shout, "Hold somebody. Tell him that you love him." I'm not gonna blame you, but at the end of the day, shall we date? But the only thing I have to break up from my relationship now, Mom, would you meet it? Mom, with him, because I'm still single like this because I've got my mind made up. Shalom. Come and hear the full version on the resurrection.
Somebody praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
And of course, you hear that from Kenny Blaq. If you are not praising, you're jamming. I don't know waiting else where you go feel hear from us for here. But of course, make sure say you come because our host there in the building.
Yes, so
to make sure say hosting heaven and earth that day.
That is it.
Even the host of Angels too.
They are with me that day.
Okay.
Yes, if you are not hosting, you are hosting.
Ay, Jesus. And then I get for Twitter here, so many people also don't reach out to buy your day. I see you. Watch you also see you. And please, my ticket. So many people. Information Minister pick our winners for here. Kenny Blaq, thank you so much. Say you come inside the building.
Thank you, man.
It's
Thank
a banger. So we not go feel wait.
Even the soup na banger. Sorry, not the stash now.
Kenny Blaq.
Now you say it's a banger. I don't know who blow the knockout.
My friend, I will see you on Press Jam Day.
Yay!
And of course, you know where to follow you for people who don't know.
Yeah, so make that follow me for Instagram at Kenny BLAQMCFR_ or make a talk like our president go talk follow me and every social media for me here and everybody will be alright. Yo.
But how excited you did today host Press Jam for the year?
You have no idea. I don't even on the suits down. Now just the
trousers. Now suit you one wear.
It the price goofies. I don't press suit. I don't put suit there. I
Okay,
don't pull
man,
it
the way you
down.
dey, the way you dey straight. It's just a suit go good.
No, I just want something suitable.
Okay, and
Yeah,
something
so
where they
between
go
the-
feel
yeah.
something where they praisable too.
So I go feel come out time and say, come on, let's give God some praise.
Right, we going before I lose my
I'm
temper.
out of here.
Lagos, make we get our winners inside the building. Kenny Blaq will see you on top praise jam. If you no come there, you don't miss. He already tell you it's either you're praising or you're jamming. And of course, we go jam you on that particular day. Information Minister, give me our winner, superstar DJ Indo on the wheels of steel, some sounds.